On January 12, 2010, a massive earthquake devastated the island nation of Haiti. Today, the vast recovery effort is ongoing.
Sometimes, when you see a problem every day, you don't give proper importance to it until you have a shock. We notice how fragile we were and how it is very important to start with the protection program that we should have started a long time ago.
Since the January 12th earthquake, a myriad of humanitarian organizations have come to the aid of the Haitian people. But there is only one organization addressing the needs of the broader surviving animal population. ARCH, the Animal Relief Coalition for Haiti, was formed just days after the quake and has been treating animals in the hardest hit, most inaccessible areas of the country. The backbone of the operation is ARCH's mobile veterinary clinic, which allows the team to travel into earthquake-stricken neighborhoods and provide services that can mean the difference between life and death, not only for the animals, but for their human counterparts.
It's amazing to see the kids coming with their animals because they know that it is a very important activity for them.
For many of these children, their animals are the only family they have left. In other cases, a family pet was the lone surviving member of a household, and residents of the neighborhood have taken it upon themselves to bring these orphaned animals to the mobile clinic for treatment.
Right now we are just going on with the vaccination of rabies for dogs and cats, since rabies is still a very big problem in Haiti. And we give them also a good dewormer. And some of them which are really in bad condition, we also add a shot of vitamin.
One of ARCH's most critical functions is the treatment of livestock, so the team must be expertly trained in the methods and on the equipment for proper animal handling. Despite the many challenges, the ARCH vaccination campaign has already exceeded expectations.
The team is working so fast and the response of the population is so good now that, for instance, sometimes we have even 500 animals a day.
Our target as the ARCH team in Haiti was to treat 14,000 animals in 1 year, and you guys have treated 12,700 in 2 months.
While early results are encouraging, ARCH knows that a long-lasting solution is only possible through continued animal welfare education and expansion of the ARCH effort.
If people see that we're helping them to prevent disease in animals and disease in themselves, then I think they'll embrace further developments in animal care as years go by in this country.
No matter what challenges the country may face in the future, ARCH is confident that the people of Haiti will be much better prepared.
The 12th of January has been a very strong wake-up call for everybody in the country. I think that now we are more conscious about what we have to do. We will never let us be caught by surprise again.